Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's the girl Lady M here, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick review slash demo slash application slash swatches of the new Hermès blushes. I have 2 shades and I'm going to be using those today in today's video. All right, before we hop into the video, if you aren't a part of the Lady M fam, what are you waiting on? I need you to go down and hit that subscribe button down below. That way you will become part of the Lady M fam. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever new videos go up. All right, while you're doing that, let's get ready to get into today's video. All right, so I have the 2 Hermès blushes. I have number 61 and I have number 54, Rose. I forget what they call it. It's like Rose Feu and Rose Nuit. Of course, it comes in the regular Hermès yellow packaging. And we're gonna do a little swatcheroo of each. So this is what the packaging looks like. Nice white, and then this like, I don't know, like bronzed, you know, like those door handles that are like, you know, that color. That's what that is. And this is the number 61 Rose Feu. It is very light. You're getting, let's see here, 0.21 ounce. So 6 grams of product. Let's open her up. Ooh, this is nice. I love this color. This is my favorite color. I think if you don't own like a nice rose pink blush, then oof, so nice. I like it. Ooh, fancy. So that one is number 61. It's a magnetic closure. It says silky powder, fresh and vibrant color. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw the pictures online, I was just like, who, if you not pale, who was gonna wear these blushes? So I was kind of shooketh when I kind of saw, and I, you know, saw a couple videos and I saw how pigmented they were, and I was like, okay. And then I just kind of went in and picked the colors that I, you know, thought would best complement me. And then this one is 54, so it's like a lighter pink than the other one, than 64. And I'll put them side by side so you guys can see. It's not a lot of product in it. So you can see the colors are very similar. One is just way more pinky than the other. So the first thing I'm gonna do is swatch the colors for you, and I'm gonna swatch 54. And I'm going to do a swipe on my hands. That's like one swipe. It looks ashy, but it really isn't. Okay, so that's the pink. That's 54, and then I'm going to swatch 61, which is the one that I know that I'm going to love. Yes. So there is 61 on the bottom, and then that's 54 or 51? 54. Okay, so we saw what the swatches look like. Now let me go in and apply. And I have bronzer already on this brush, so I'm probably gonna pick up a fresh, I don't really have, yeah. So I got my little Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in with 54, the one that I like the least. Oh my God. Y'all, look at that. See See how pigmented that is? Look at that. Woo, let me just tap off some of this back in. And let me grab my mirror. Yeah. And oh my God, I'm nervous. See that? Oh my God. This, oh, it smells. So again, y'all know top tier fragrant luxury products have a smell. Oh my God, it smells so good. I love that color, y'all. Oh my. Okay, so that is 54. Wow. That's 54. Now I'm gonna go in with my fave, 61. And I'm just gonna clean this off because I'm not gonna change my brush. And I'm gonna put 64, same thing. Look at that pigment, y'all. All right, let's do this. Oh, I knew it. I was gonna love this color. Y'all see that? Look at that. Oh my. Wow, I'm dipping back into that color. Wow. I love this. Not even, I'm just gonna add that to the other side. Why not? No more product, just, y'all, that is so pigmented. I'm telling you, I was not expecting that because I'm gonna insert the swatches if I find the swatches. And I'm like, who is this for? But it really is pigmented. It looks really good. It just nicely blended into my skin. It's not like even sitting on top of my skin. It's just like, man, it's just really nice. All right, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm rocking these two colors, but see how they wear throughout the day. But it just looks beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna finish zhuzh my hair and everything, and then we'll come back and I'll give you my thoughts about the blushes. All right. Okay, so I am back and I finished off, and the blushes are, are they, can I still, okay. Yeah, I can still see the blushes. I did go in and set my face. So, let me see. Okay, so I did blend in with the beauty blender. So I probably lost a little bit of the color. I hope that's no indication of how they're going to wear throughout the day. But anyway, so my thoughts on the blushes. All right, so I'm all done, and my thoughts on the blushes, they are $77. You get, let's see here, 6 grams of products, 0.21 ounces. They are very light, but it could just be because of the packaging. It is a magnetic closure, so that is pretty neat. Look. So that is pretty neat. I mean, you probably expect something a little bit more luxurious in feeling from Hermès, but I think it's just very simple and, you know, it's okay, it's okay, you know? So you do get that. Like I said, they are fragranced. So if you have issues with fragrances, then you're probably not going to like them. They are powdery, but they are very pigmented. Like you saw the swatches on my hands, and that was like one swipe or whatever. I mean, I'm comparing the blushes. I have a Dior blush here. It says 4 grams, 0.14 ounce. So this is less product, and probably most of this is just packaging. Like we have this whole side here that has a brush. You could have put product over there or whatever. So that is less product. I have a Giorgio Armani brush. This is their cheek fabric sheer blush. I don't even know. This is like one of my favorite colors. This also is 4 grams. And this is how small it is, you know, compared to it. But honestly, when you look on the inside, they are about the same size. I'm gonna open them and then compare them like side by side. So you can see like the Hermès looks a little bit bigger, but like as far as size wise, it's, you know, they are both this feels a little bit heavier than this, but again, it's just probably because of packaging. And then I have a Laura Mercier blush. It's also 4 grams. I'm sorry, 6 grams of product. But hers doesn't skimp on, you know, it like uses the whole, so you're getting more obviously here, feels heavier. But outside of that, I think that they're nice. They're very pigmented. I'm not sure about any other colors. I just picked the colors that I know that I would like, that I know that would work on my skin tone. And a lot of times when you're darker skin, pinks show up. They don't really look too ashy and they just give you a nice flush of color to the cheeks. And this is very natural. Like, it's very natural. It's very everyday, you know, so if you're not a blush person, this is a good way to try to ease into wearing blushes or whatever the case may be. But anyway, guys, I like them. I'm gonna keep wearing them to see how they wear. You know, do they fade throughout the day? How much wear time do I get? And I'll be sure to add my thoughts in the comments below. All right, guys, thanks for joining me in today's video. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I don't want you to miss out on all these awesome uploads. And hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever new videos go up. All right, guys, thanks, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.